What's up, guys? Today's Blaine, and today we are doing the grand finale of fireworks.
Oh no, that wasn't it. No.
Yes, those are the fireworks.
Yep, you're getting it in there, Blaine. Wait.
And
push it down a little bit. There you go. Keep it
that's
right there.
the fireworks. Y'all can see.
This must be it right here.
Keep it right there.
And I think this is the finale.
Is he putting it on his
Is that
on
his
his
YouTube channel?
Yeah, rest it on your knees.
What's up, YouTube?
Daddy, you're in the blocking the fireworks.
Oh, this is the fireworks. I'm letting y'all watch them.
Sis, mind your way.
That was a big one. Woo! Whoa! Wow. Wow. I'm flying. I'm flying.
Put it down just a little bit, babe, right there. You got it rested on your knee.
Is that? There's that plane.
Yep, you're getting it perfect. In there.
Guys, it's crazy. There's that plane. There's that plane.
I have mine, but I don't make videos on it.
Well, then
I usually make videos on my YouTube.
hey, you know what? He's my #1 YouTuber.
There's the YouTube.
Guys, there's that guy. There's like this guy in the plane y'all see. And probably y'all see it already. He's going to go through the fireworks.
Hey, I got something for you.
All right.
Yeah, you really
Still
do.
in there, Blaine. Let's go. You've got it. You're holding it right there.
Wow, that was a big one. Oh. Oh. Is this?
Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Wait, Blaine.
Where
Leave
are
it
they
right there,
going?
baby.
What?
Leave it right there.
No.
I wanted you to try to get the grand finale in there.
Guys, we're going to try to get the grand finale in here.
They called that perfect. Watch the next one goes off the tape.
Yeah. Great. Little ground clutter.
Yeah.
You know who's going to really love this next year?
Who?
Ruble. I don't think she's going to enjoy it. It's too loud. It'll probably make her
Yeah,
cry.
it'll make her cry at that age.
Uh-oh. That looked like a Pokemon.
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Wow. Actually wasn't bad. What the heck?
Whoa.
Yep.
That was cool.
You're getting it that way.
What? Oh my god.
Gosh.
That was crazy. Don't listen to mom. I love God, but I just say words like that. That's not what that word. See? Don't do drugs, kids. And there's that plane. I actually saw it. There it is. It's just a winged idiot cane radio star.
You getting it?
There you go. Just right there, baby.
Y'all see him?
That's perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Now we get to see him every year.
Yep. Mine too. Blaine, push it down a little bit, babe.
Ow, ow, my foot is burning to death. Is that good?
You want mommy to hold it?
Sure. I'm gonna watch it.
Here, you get in front and see if I'm getting them good.
Oh, yeah, you are. What up, you two?
Blaine, come back here, babe. You won't be able to see where you're going.
What up, YouTube?
All right, look. They're going to do it in a minute.
Okay, guys. Well, it's about time for the grand finale. It's gonna be like tons of fireworks spamming.
Look, here comes a car.
Oh, look at that.
made
Look
my
at that.
eyes shine.
Oh, there it is.
Blaine. Here it
Whoa!
goes.
Grand finale, guys.
Wow.
Blaine, watch it, baby.
Dad.
Awesome.
All right. That was great.
I liked it a lot.
All right.
Pretty cool.
Oh, we still have your YouTube channel on.
Guys, that was sick.
Super
If
sick.
y'all love USA, just give a fat thumbs up. Why are we in the trunk?
I gotta let those people get in their car real quick.
Hey guys,
Blaine, what do we push?
we just saw an awesome fireworks show, 4th of July. What'd you think, Blaine?
It was pretty much pretty awesome because I haven't seen a fireworks show in a long time.
Yeah.
Do we push that button?
But we're also gonna do a big fireworks show. This was just like a little skit.
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button and subscribe button.
I'm gonna give a shout out to Dan TDM. I don't
Okay.
even know that guy.
Push the button, Blaine.
He does.
Those people are leaving. Come on, mommy.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna end it right here.
Deuces, y'all.
Bye.